It's a new 2019 Toyota Avalon. It has a timeless design that allows you to embrace style with substance and an interior that feels as if it were made just for you. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Avalon, Popular Mechanics notes a subtle but distinctive element is the beautiful done-by-hand stitching that distinguishes the dashboard and seats. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at youngercars.com. We're conveniently located at 1945 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.